Signs flying past every single day, saying I should appear a certain way, like a copy. Head, shoulders, knees, my body helps me do all the things I love, and no one else's view is going to stop me. My body has its limits, everybody has, but there's so much I can do. I can play, create, communicate, think and feel too. My body is an instrument, not an ornament. I am more than this frame you see, but I need it, so I feed it. I feel it home in my body. There's no comparing it, and I take care of it. Don't change in time, and this is my body, and it's mine, all mine.
I don't have a say on anybody else, the way they look or present themselves, even if I have good intentions.
I won't comment on you, please don't comment on me. We don't comment on each other's bodies. There's so much more to mention. Why should we compare? Tell me skin or hair, or whether we're short or tall. Everybody has different things to share,